Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 44. Microsoft Ad Editor Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. So let's get started. Once you open Microsoft Ad Editor, here you need to add your account. For this, go to this Add button, then enter your email address or username to sign in to Microsoft Advertising Editor. Then click on Next button. After that, select your account and click on OK button. Once your account has been added successfully, click on this Open button. Now it's restoring your account and local changes. So now your account has been restored successfully. You can see more details from here. Close the pop-up. Now your account has been added and you can see all your campaigns here. To add new campaign, click on this Add Campaign button. Then you can see full statistics here. Slide the slider for more details. From below you can edit your campaigns. On top, we have options like Accounts, Get Changes, Post, Import, Export. So this is all about Microsoft Ad Editor. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 45. How to edit ads in Microsoft Ad Editor. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to edit ads in Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.